we are headed to Gutter All. We got the delivery of some more gutter machines. We got like 5 more machines that just came in. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna try to offload them all. There's the truck with all the machines. Yeah. Looks like a 5K machine right there. Some more machines in there. Got the first machine right here.
50% longer than the actual forks.
Check it out.
I noticed there.
5K. It's got a mini crate, a full-size crate, everything. There we go. We just gotta keep pulling the machines out, like so. Let's see, that one looks like a junior. That's nice. Extension arms. There we go. Beautiful 5-6 combos. Forklift ready. Come get your machines at Gutter All. 3 machines stacked in here. Gotta get them out. Attempt to pull the middle gutter machine out. Machine number 3. Looks like this is the European box on a beautiful wooden pallet from KWM, fresh. This machine is gonna be coming out as well. Almost got it. We got one more to go. Looks like the wide bottom fascia machine. I already have a customer waiting for this one. There goes the wide bottom fascia machine. It's 12 feet long. And we actually have the customer over there already waiting for his machine. He's gonna get loaded onto his truck, trailer. This is the last machine. Also a pretty big one. Let's take a look, see what Gutter All is up to. We got lots of materials, lots of coils ready to go. It's a busy day at Gutter All. We got trucks everywhere. We got machines everywhere. I still have Mr. Tree there, gutter machine. And I have these 5 machines here. Got my delivery there. Gutter guys are loading up some materials. It's an amazing day. The truck is out of here. That was a big delivery. Packing the wide bottom fascia machine. We're gonna install these riser pads as well. And there it is. Swap out one of these and put a full-size crate. Here we go, unpacking a 5K machine. We're gonna see what's inside. It's kind of fun unpacking, huh?
Oh yeah.
It's the reveal of the 5K machine. Bam. Look at this. A lot of machines here. A lot of varieties. Got a machine coming off the pallet for the first time. Perfect. Go up, 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 up. Keep going. That's how the machine looks with the gutter stand. Right, so this is how we load the machine. We got the double chain system. And it's gonna be perfect. It's good. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. All right, let's go, let's go. So this is how we load a wide bottom fascia with the riser pads. So now we are bolting the upright. I use grade 8 bolts right here. And then we're gonna just kind of self-tap it right there. Should work. Oh, the cover's back. Orion's doing a great job. He preset all the screws. That's fantastic. We're gonna put the handle back on. Okay, so we got this handle back on here. And I really like the shorter handle. I can still grab it right there. Ching ching. Just like that. Removing the full-size cradle here, and we're gonna put it up on that machine. Touches, full-size cradle going in. Start the bolts, we'll finish them later. Got everything set up, we checked everything out right here. It's the final product right there. With a full-size crate, upright. It's good to go. Another happy customer with a happy machine.